Alright, I got my new Banks intake installed. I had to use a few of my Sinister diesel stuff I had left over from the other build. But there she is. I went with black because everything else under here is black. They had a red option. Alright, there you go. She looks sweet. To the next episode. Alright, here's the parts I took off. You can look down there and look at all that carbon. And this is the grid heater that I deleted. Look at that carbon. But the good news is that little bolt that usually deteriorates and drops down into your cylinder, looks like it still was good. But I won't have to concern myself with that. Yeah. Alright, here's a few leftover parts that I didn't need. Alright, so I got that taken care of. This is the electrical cable that goes from the, I think, a solenoid, which powers up that grid heater. Alright, to the next episode.